Hello, in this video I'll show you how to format into millions and thousands. So the first thing you go here is you highlight your cells you want to format. Control 1. Go to custom. So let's format these into thousands first. So they enter in hash, comma, hash, hash, 0, comma, double quotations and K. Okay, so now we get our answers in thousands. Now, if this doesn't work for you, it might be due to because you have a different system separator. For example, a space or a semicolon. So in order to get this into millions, you can enter in another comma here. And this also assumes that you're using the English version of Excel. If you don't, there is a risk that you might have a different system separator by default. So you enter in M here. So we get it into millions, but we want to see 2 decimal places. So let's go back to 0 again and enter a 0.00. And here we get 2 decimal places. So we enter here and we get our formatting here. So you can still do calculations as usual. Not any weird. This is still the same number. It's just another visually. It just changes the visual. So, all right, so let's go. You can go into settings here. And then you go to advanced. So here is your separators. And especially the thousand separator. You might notice that I used comma in the thousand separator. So you can, if it's, for some people it's empty and for some people it's different. So if yours is different, you can enter in comma here if you want to, or you can enter in the same thousand separator as I did. You can enter in, instead of comma here, you can enter in your separator, and another common example is simply a space. Just to keep in mind. Alright, so that's how you can custom format your numbers in Excel in thousands and millions. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks.